Smile away,
Yeah,
smile
right.
away.
I'm in the Jeep. It's stormy. It's awesome. I'm not even holding the handle.
Gosh, you did good job.
Okay, well, Cristina wanted somebody to get stuck, and
That is like A-okay.
Stormy is nice and stuck.
Her
What?
first mud stuck. That's so exciting.
Only in a Jeep.
behind the haunted barn with the owls in it. Let's go and see.
He's huge. And we are in for the final night after a long day of shooting, or photography shooting, and trail riding. It was a lot of fun today. We were out all day basically from, I'd say, 8 o'clock until now. What time is it now?
It is 4:34.
4:34. So, yeah. And here's Cristina's tent. Big tent, 4-person tent. She really likes it. And then we got our fire going. Gonna get some nice embers. And then here's my new tent that I'm testing out. And it's called, what we got here? Clost Nature. And it's a nice size, it's a 2-man tent. But it has a lot of room inside. It's very, very, very nice. I got it closed up now because we're expecting a little bit of rain. So let's see how Cristina enjoyed the trip. Well, tell me, honestly, what you thought about adventure photography training here. I mean, you can speak candidly and just let everybody know what you actually thought. Did you get, was it what you thought it was going to be?
No.
Did you get the training that you thought you were going to get? Did you actually really learn anything, or was it, did you already know stuff? And so tell us what you actually thought.
So actually, I didn't expect this. I mean, I just didn't. To camp, just really gorgeous place,
Yeah.
with owls pooping on my Jeep overhead.
Yep.
Mercilessly, just hooting all night long, and just a beautiful, beautiful place. A good time of year too. It was a good time of year.
Nice and
really
cool
enjoyed
at
it.
nighttime.
Yeah.
Not too hot during the day.
And so I really did not expect to have a camping vacation along with photography school.
Yeah.
I have watched YouTube and downloaded some online books that were very, very helpful.
Yeah.
But really, just
on-hand training. Yeah.
And
in the field.
In the field, and what I really liked also is, first of all, that we went together, and
we rode together. That's
we
right.
rode together, so it was a non-stop lesson.
Yeah.
So we could talk. You could point to things and say, "This is how you do it," and but also when I photograph, not helping me. Hey, position this. Hey, wait for this. Just pointers on the spot.
Right then and there.
Right there.
Yeah.
And
they help you get that shot.
And you should have done it this way because you've seen it how I did it. So so you could correct me right there. Right there and then.
Yeah.
And so that's actually, I found that really, really helpful. Another thing that I really liked is that you didn't bombard me with theory.
Right.
We just went slowly, one concept at a time, and maybe 2 or 3 things, and then we stopped and we just
And practice them.
practice them.
Yeah.
And then just repetition and just substance that is not overwhelming. So that was actually, and I really didn't expect to learn so much in this
Thank you.
trip.